I'm pregnant.
What?
Okay, I'm pregnant. And by the time the show starts, I might even be showing, so I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Friend, how could you be so reckless? You knew this was coming. You applied for it last year. Wait, friend, I have a plan, okay? I know someone. Well, it's an old lady from Greenhill Park, but she helped Z terminate her pregnancy. Friend, I can't believe you've been so reckless.
How can you even think like that?
It's not even like the pregnancy was planned or anything.
What if I die?
Well, if you don't want to do it, it's your choice.
What if I get sick? You don't even know. That lady, she's not a qualified professional. She's not a doctor. She doesn't even know what she's doing.
Yeah, nothing happened to Z. She's fine. Everyone has a story. Let's respect each other's stories. Let's talk more. Let's feel more. And most importantly, let's
provide quality education for our girls about contraceptive methods.
Give pregnant people the right to their own reproductive decisions. And remember, if abortion is illegal, only those who are opposed to abortion have a choice. Thank you for watching.